Anyways, I'm back with another video, and today we are doing a wash and go, but we're doing a new method of a wash and go because my favorite YouTuber, favorite natural YouTuber of all time is Happy Girl, and she did the LCO method, which is the leave-in, the cream, and the oil, not the lock, the LCO. And I just wanted to see if it worked for me, and she swears by this gel right here. So this is what I plan on using to see what's going on. In her video, she used the Miracle Repair X Protective Leave-In Conditioner from TGIN. If y'all can see that. And then she also used the Miracle Repair X Curl Food from TGIN, if y'all can also see that. So I just completed doing a protein treatment. I got the sample size. I think I played myself, but we're gonna see with this wash and go if my curls are different. I just finished straightening my hair, as y'all seen in 2 videos ago, if I put the protein treatment up, that see if my curls went back. I can't really tell with this. It's really making me upset. I just don't know what happened. So we just need to go ahead and pray. God, please let these curls revert back to the ringlets that they know. God, just please just curl them on up, God. Curl them on up, because I can't walk around here looking crazy. I can't have a natural YouTube and my hair look crazy. I can't do it. In Jesus' name I pray, amen, amen. Anyways, so she used the leave. I'm gonna use the leave-in first, then the curl food, and then the oil, and then at the end of that, use the gel on top of it. I have a problem with dry, like when I put it on, my wash and goes don't feel dry, but after a couple days, my wash and goes feel dry, and I really hate that. So I'm really on the search to find, excuse me, a moisturized yet defined yet volume wash and go. I bought a diffuser piece from Sally's. This was $12. It's a universal diffuser. It was $12, so I'm gonna see how this works on my blow dryer. I was gonna get a whole blow dryer, but I went to Sally and spent $55, and on a college budget I was pissed. So this universal diffuser will work today. So let's get into this video. Hope you guys are doing well. 66% of you that watch my videos are not subscribed, so I'm gonna need y'all while I go ahead and part my hair to, let's fix that problem. Let's go ahead. You got time. Just, you can pause it right now. Okay, you should be back, and let's get started. Let's get started. Let's get started. So I'm gonna do like 2 pumps, maybe 3, because it's the whole section. So I'm gonna do that much. This camera, I don't know, because it cuts off from time to time. So y'all work with me, work with me. Okay, curl food. I don't want to add too much, because y'all know what happens when you add too much of a product. Y'all already know what happens. I don't even gotta explain to y'all. If you're natural and if you ever tried product before, then you already know. Do you already know that once you get them little balls, honey, it's time to wash that thing out, wrap that thing up. Okay. Like, do we see this? do we already see it? Do we see it, or am I tripping? Do we see it? I think we see it. I think we see it as a collective. We see it as a collective. We do. We see it as a collective. Look at it, guys. We see it as a collective. Are my curls coming back? Are they? Let's see. Alright, and then I'll go in. Let me just spray this one more time just to keep it moisturized. Because with wash and goes, y'all know that you need wet hair. So just to make sure the product is working very well. Okay, this is real thick actually. Look. Is it focusing? Yeah. It's pretty thick. Like, it feels like a lotion, really. And it looks like icing almost. Y'all think so? Can you see? To me it does, I don't know. Let's just get one because I don't want to. Yeah, let's just see what's gonna happen with the curl food. Okay. Okay. Curl. Look, guys. This is pretty wild for me. I don't know why. And then I'm gonna go in with my vitamin E oil. It prevents dryness. It's a hair and skin oil. Damage control, promotes healthy hair, younger looking hair. So this is what I've gotten. Y'all can see. Let me get it again just to make sure everything is saturated and the oil can go in nicely. That's what Happy Girl said to do. Just to wet it so the products can really work together. Y'all, look! I was worried. I was really worried. But what did the Lord say? We prayed over it, didn't we? Let me tell y'all better stop playing with God. You pray for it, expect it, believe it. That's how it's gonna happen. You can't pray for something and be like, nah, it's not gonna happen. Oh no, it ain't gonna happen. Just look at that thing, look at that thing, look at that thing. Don't know how to like this squirting situation. And I heard the hold is crazy. Look at it, can y'all see? Oh my gosh. That's crazy, that's crazy. I have to go and I'm getting dressed, but I just want to show y'all the end result. And I have to diffuse it and let it dry. But I have to go, but I wanted to show y'all what it looks like. I think that it's gonna turn out great, so we just will see. And I'll be back when it is dried and stretched the way I want it, and I will show you and give my review on the products. So this is second day hair. After I stretched it, I just got home. We're going out today, and yesterday it was very defined and flat. But for me, I don't like flat wash and goes. I like for it to be kind of defined, kind of big. You know, I'm still searching for my big volume thing, but I didn't want to do too much where it would cause frizz or cause too much volume where there's no definition. It's more definition on this side than it is on this side, but that's okay. I've always had that problem. And I would say that right when I put the products on, y'all can see my hair reverted back really well. I was a little scared. If you've seen the previous video with the protein treatment, like it's not working. But I feel like if I didn't do the protein treatment, I possibly had more trouble. So I'm going to just stick with this protein treatment this time. And in about 36 months, I'm gonna do it again. And then to see, you know, the effects of it. I think it looks really good. So thank you for coming to watch my video. If you want me to do a nighttime routine on what to do with wash and goes, then let me know down in the comments or on my social media that I will put right here in this area. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and come back for more videos.